Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. I have an incredibly exciting video for you guys today about a brand new app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers money simply to use it. So I'm thrilled. I'm gonna have a link down below for Current and I'm gonna explain to you how it works. So please thumbs up the video, my friends. And now, without further ado, let's jump right in, okay? So if you're an Uber and a Lyft driver, it's so important that you do two things. Firstly, you make the most amount of money possible, and secondly, you spend the least amount of money possible. Why? So you can increase your profit in between. So I'm gonna share with you how you can earn money and how this app is actually paying drivers. It's awesome. So I'm gonna sync up my phone and I'm going to show you guys my app and what it looks like. So we're looking at Current here. It's on my home screen, and as you can see here, I have my app set up. I have $1,000 in my account. It's free to sign up when you sign up right now with my link. And as it works, so firstly, it works, it pays you interest, but that's not what we're talking about. I wanna also tell you that it's not only can you get paid up to 2 days faster, meaning that when you sign up, you're gonna be able to cash out 2 days early. There's free overdraft up to 200 bucks if you ever go negative, so that's really awesome. And also, wanted to just go back here and share with you that when you go to gas stations, they're actually gonna pay you points. They're gonna give you points. That's 5 times the points that you get per gallon. So when you get your debit card, what you have to do is you have to download, this is all free by the way, there's no account minimums, there's nothing like that. And it's free, it's completely free to sign up. And when you do sign up, basically what's gonna happen is they're gonna send you a debit card. I'm still waiting to get mine. Once you get it, and you drive for Uber, you put some money on your debit card, and when you go to the gas station, you use your Current card, you're gonna get points, like it says here, that's redeemable for money, for cash. And again, you can take this money and deposit it right into your other bank account if you want, or you can just use Current. Current's a great way to just save up money, 50 bucks cash, $100 cash. You could get 100 bucks cash simply for using, simply for filling up gas and using this debit card. So anyways, want to make this quick video for you guys because this is a great game changer for drivers and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity right now because I don't think it's going to last forever. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.